Hi guys, good evening. So, welcome back to me. So, really, I'm not good. I don't know. I'm not really good on video, and also I'm not good on editing. I don't know how to edit, and I don't want to edit my video. I just want a purely videos that I know it's good to watch with editing, with this, with something like I don't know what they call this one, but yeah. But I'm happy. I'm okay with this. I don't need to add. I don't need to edit because it's really, it makes you tired. Not unless you are, not unless you have, not unless you have a editor. So, me, I don't have editor. I just, my son is here. So, yeah. Slowly ba kayo nag-sleep na mga kapitbahay?
Kaon eh.
What did I eat? I didn't buy anything. I just buy toyo and ketchup. So, turog na sila? Turog na sila? Igang good. Hala. Ito. So yeah guys, now it's not at it's 10:30. Oh, what? You part on my face? So yeah guys, I need to work now. See the job, and I love the face today. So this is purely, you can see all this. Yeah, I am already out from the calendar. So yeah guys, so I want to ask you guys, what is the best video I can make, to be like, I'm not fluent on English, by the way, so I'm not even fluent on Tagalog. Hindi ako marunong mag-Tagalog masyado. Yung anak ko, marunong siya mag-Tagalog. Ako, hindi ako marunong Tagalog. Mag-Tagalog ako, pero medyo parang hindi ako sa Tagalog talaga. So, buti pa mag-English ako kahit wrong grammar minsan. Yeah. Anyway.
Ako guro isa ra ka bulan din naman kabalo no English.
We.
Kabalo ni kinali.
We. Anyway. So guys, thank you for, please let me know on the comment section what kind
Comment section.
Comment section. I don't know what. My son is very annoying. So, tell me guys, what kind of video should I make? I want some wholesome video, okay? So yeah guys, please, even you don't like my video, just like my video. And subscribe to my YouTube channel. I know my channel is nonsense, but please.
Guys, og yung
Hey guys, just subscribe to channel. He always told me I'm so OA, and she didn't do anything. Always playing, and buti pa siya mag live stream, hindi naman siya na live stream. So, walang kabuluhan din yung ano yan. But anyway guys, thank you so much guys. It's now 10:40, so almost 11. I need to finish my job and then see you in another video. Please subscribe and like my video guys. Thank you.